This could be cool. Whoa. Peeps, you may say. Now you know sneak preview at a place out there. Don't tell nobody here. Chucky. Don't tell nobody now there. Chucky. Right. We'll find it because see the guys over there, so over there we go. Blessings everyone, welcome back to Elite Jamaica. Today we're in a place called Summit Road in Morant Bay. We're searching for the Morant Bay Great House. Like peeps, we always going to the bush to search, but today we're out in the open. We're going to be in the town. Alright, we have the jail to go look for in the Morant Bay and the Morant Bay Great House, which we're on a location right now which we thought was the Morant Bay Great House because our big house, you know, peeps. But it's not the Morant Bay Great House because since we've been here, somebody came and told us that it's not this house, it's around the corner. So we'll go around this. But Chucky, like peeps, you may say. Now you know sneak preview at a place out there. Don't tell nobody here. Chucky. Don't tell nobody now there. Chucky. Right. This is a pool, guys. This house had a pool. And you see the pool here, it all. Anyway, Chucky has shown you the rest of the building. This is a really fabulous house, guys. Can you imagine when this was up and running back in the days? This would have been so lovely. I don't know why. I know this is the great house. You could have tricked me, so I know this is the great house, peeps. And you see the finishing? When you see them thing there?
Fantastic, yeah?
Yeah, them could have tricked me, so I know this is the great house on a boat floor. It's open, guys, so we're not trespassing. Alright, it's open, so we'll just have to explore the house here and done. Chucky, follow me. Yeah, guys, so bathroom here, so this is a room around here. No mirror.
Wow.
Hold on, I'll come to this.
Alright. Wow.
Yeah, peeps, it's our next mirror. I'm gonna look on themselves. Show them themselves.
Alright.
Don't show them the tile.
Alright. Alright. Wow. What is that?
That's it.
It's empty.
Veranda.
Alright.
Guys, nobody can tell me say I know this is the great house. Like, we want to see the next one first, but we're exploring when we're going around and come back in at the next part. Look on the view. See the view over there, sir?
Fantastic. Right. Look at these doors.
Yeah. No, not even them one. Peeps, when you look here,
Wow.
look on them door. Look on these doors.
Wow.
When you can tell me say,
Yes, yourself,
like
right?
seriously, when you can tell me say this at the great house, look at these doors. We not see them up on no more house. You look here.
Wow.
When you look here, when you look on the finishing, when you look here, look on this. This is not black enough, peeps. This is a cut stone, right? This is a cut stone. You look on the door then. We are going back in a such a thing.
Yeah. Alright.
This area reminds me of, it reminds me of the Rosal Great House. Look, like when you look, peeps, the archway they were much in this, we don't know around it. Yeah, guys, Look, this reminds me of Rosa Great House. Nobody can tell me some of the Great House. Look here. Look on this. Look on everything here. This reminds me of my grandmother house up on Mount Lebanon. So look there. Look there. This. You see them something there? Like me excited right now. Look here, peeps. I'm one of the smallest chandelier members.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, so this is the bedroom. This is the bedroom, guys. This is one of the bedrooms. It seems like persons are normally live here. You know? Or somebody live here right now.
Wow.
No, man, look, if it's a ammunition box, remember the outer here down.
Of course.
Yeah, guys, so, yeah, man. Somebody live here. Yeah, guys, so, Chucky, come here, come this way. I don't know why not saying. You see me though?
Yeah, of course. Hold on.
Guys, I don't know what in so. Chucky.
Yeah.
1,
2, 3. Oh, it's a bathroom. Alright.
Always a bathroom.
Always a bathroom.
Yeah, guys, so this is a shower here, right here. Over here, so Chucky.
Medical kit. Alright.
Over here, so. This is a shower here, right here, guys. Water no there.
No.
No, I'm all of fresh, but no water no there.
Yeah.
So then we go around here.
Okay.
This is a house and all to the night time, something like. You see, the type of skylight to them up. Look
Wow.
here. Guys, you see the type of skylight to them up right there? It makes the place look like you have a light turn on when there's none turn on. You see me?
Sure.
So, someone lived there. And because of that, guys, I'm not think we're search any longer. We'll head out of here. Because it seems as if someone actually occupies this place. So, Chucky,
Yeah.
go out here, don't.
Okay. Of course.
What do you say?
I've never opened.
So, guys, we're out of here. We're gonna go to the really great house. That they say is the great house. Them say that are the great house and this. And if you all think that this is the great house because we've never seen another house like this, otherwise from great houses with both floor, the roof, the little block them, we make the wall, the door them, then something up here, all the board work. Look here, Chuck, come over here. Watch me. Guys, look at this. Look at this going on. You see that? Lovely finishes. Lovely finishes, guys. You see that?
Framework is very well done.
Very well done.
Yeah. Look at this.
So, I think this
Lovely
is the entire house.
Yeah.
So, we're out of here.
That's it.
Okay.
Empty. Alright.
Come in. Yeah, people, so we're on to the next location. You follow me.
Okay.
As I told you, we were heading to see the great house, what them say. And that are the great house, I never the one over there. And trust me, peeps, I think we'll find it, because see the guys over there, so over there wherever. We're knocking over there like somebody over there, but you know, we come too far to turn back, so we're gonna explore the house there. We wanna see what's inside. Is the arm of the person up as long as I know machine. Don't go through that. Alright, so come on.
Are you sure say to the
Yo!
exit?
Who there? I know how I'm check yo. Now they're up in the air from here. Alright. What's up, family? We're not done.
Rasta. Blessings. Whoa. Blessings, you know.
What kind of behavior is that? Run video fire without permission fire?
No, man, we can't cut, you know we can't cut out that man. You see me? Once you have complaints, you cut out that man, is it? Yeah, we go down our house and listen, because we have a channel in Elite Jamaica, is it? We try to highlight the fact that slavery did not Jamaica. Because you know, I see them do right now, they are bulldoze down the slavery building them. So you see younger generation come up, when they tell them, say, you're not never like that, they're going to proof.
Exactly.
So we have the proof, you understand? So we go our house and listen, a brother tell us, the wrong house there, and up here so the house there. So come up and see the nose that this was a great house.
It's an old judge house, the kind of judge house.
The judge house?
Yeah, the kind of house, the court house.
The courthouse?
Original courthouse.
Yeah.
You have him?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. So this was a courthouse, guys?
This was this before Morant be a courthouse and Paul Bogle courthouse. And this kind of
This was the original courthouse?
Oh. They used to live there. And in a room and used to live. And then they grown the in all and shit out. So,
okay.
Me there from before Gilbert.
Yeah.
Like 3 months before Gilbert.
That's a long time because I 86 my born.
Yeah, so all of my people them born.
Oh, so you live here, sir?
Yeah, so
okay.
We're in a course and we go a Queen.
Yeah.
Daughter we go a St. Louis.
Yeah.
Graduated. Daughter we go a, you see.
Okay.
All of them out there. One a police, one a lawyer, one a railway.
Oh. Okay.
So I saw the place here, but it's at the QRA. No one then it's the 1 and 2 people come do that.
So these are the judge house.
Yeah.
So this they are from long time then, man.
Yeah, man.
Is it, man?
This is from in a Paul Bogle before Paul Bogle.
Oh, so this is before Paul Bogle. Oh, wow.
Okay, because what are really going on? You know, they have some jail cell down about the over the Rum Store Plaza there.
Yeah.
So we're gonna say we get another feedback because we have a map when we get from the Scotland College. Where them have the, you know, St. Thomas information are there, in the overseas. So I have the information, I have the map, we can show you the map and things, and the whole of the great house like them. You see me, so as so comes you get led. Yeah, so is it?
So I tell you that the foundation is the original project, right?
Okay.
So for the other day, Ministry of Labour and the man come and say, they try to say into that. Move the judge house and down, the courthouse and down, and try back up what they say the position I feel to do.
It look away for real.
Yeah, because people that it's in a situation.
Can speak up a bit louder, sir? You can speak up a little bit louder because you're not going to film it because you're...
Yeah, I say, you know, that
come up, man, and film him, man, if you have to.
You can't film like that.
Yeah, man, you know,
we film natural, man. We don't put you up the camera and show them the real Jamaica and so we stay now, we right. And so we are showing.
So you can't speak in general?
No, man, like if I'm video.
Alright.
No, don't show it for the camera to sketch the audio.
You can't speak. You can't
sketch the audio with my car. Is it?
So,
yeah,
like
you know the problem with the audio, though?
I like I that, you know.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, man.
So, let him talk.
Is there a possibility we can see like
somebody inside? Yeah, man, talk.
Okay,
yeah, Rasta, you know. Away about my yeah, do that, man.
Okay, isn't it?
Non-complex,
you can't talk, sir.
Non-complex, you know.
No complex.
No. See, I come from a historical fundament, and I am here, as a head. So whatever information you don't know, I will give it to the eye where I know.
True.
Let
me ask you a question. Down when you turn up on the road, one historical church up on the left hand side. Been there from 1364.
That's when we turn in the road again.
Yeah.
Yes. That was the lodge hall.
The lodge hall.
Yes.
Okay.
That's the lodge.
It was a church. It was the
original
70 Adventist.
70,
back then in 1364.
Yes, man, to return to the lodge hall.
Okay.
Yes.
Because most of the old slave buildings, them normally use them for lodge building. Lodge.
I know after
Masonic lodges.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
So like I say now, I can't do what I know about this running days now. No. This place is the courthouse, I may tell you. Which cases answer try.
This was the first courthouse in St. Thomas, right?
The first courthouse in St. Thomas?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, they judge old car around if it's almost years. So I came here for refuge from Gilbert. And no fire night there. Till the man vandalized the place. The place look better than this, you know.
Sure, can't see that, man.
Yeah.
Because
time and time
after,
built, you know. Government decides say now get here and they have me until after certain years going to go. It's like me responsible for everything we are going.
Okay.
Like my farm, I'm a farmer and live for years, you know. Raise my fowl, my duck, my everything, you know.
True,
I live there for years on the yard, but
True.
right about now, I can't do the position like everything get deplorable, like I get theoretable. You find to say I have chance to build no house out. I can't do this building now.
Yeah.
Alright, no I ain't I get deplorable.
Yeah.
And you find to say it's historical. My intention is them ask me already, you know.
Yeah.
So when me take me out, I say
No,
me
film in face,
go
no,
round
film
pan
in
the
face.
back there.
That's the building.
I either try to get a food for the poor house to put on there, but it's
Okay.
lazy.
Yeah.
So I feel like say me capable enough. So I'm say alright, now I get concrete board and just build a substitute house on the back
Yes.
for the time being.
Yes.
Right? Because I try with Lands Authority in order to give me some documentary, like a lease sale or some position from there, peace island or something. Yeah. Well, it not come true yet, but me there.
Yeah.
And I am a farmer, I am a liver, I am everything. Well, everybody acknowledge me.
And this is the old courthouse building from back in the slavery days, and you've been taking care. You've been, what's your name?
Pass me name, man. Sipstan pass me
Parsley.
name, man. Yeah,
Let the
man.
camera watch this.
Yeah,
You've been
man.
taking care of this building from before Gilbert,
Yeah, man.
and this is a heritage site.
Yeah, because
So
me,
maybe part that
even
you
at Gilbert, you know,
Yeah.
I'd taken a lot of refugees in there, and I said, man, them vandalize the building.
Okay.
2 times, man, lick me down in there, me have to carry laugh, this and me, and then they broke my jawbone. Just to tear all the veranda, and then tear it off. The veranda, I die, everything.
Yeah.
You understand,
So
man?
they
Tear it.
destroy the building.
Yeah, destroy the building and vandalize it. Enough war I go through, so for there, so bitch.
Yes, sir.
Enough leak down and enough something, so man say me a bad man, but I'm a bad man. Me just, I live, because I'm a woman and picking them there, yeah.
Yes.
You see,
Yeah,
that
yeah.
3 daughters me get, so, you know, plus my woman, you know, we live there so for years. I've choose the place get so now, me put them in a rent house somewhere.
Sure.
And me there, so I go and farm
Because
to them.
they're Jamaicans.
Yeah, you know, Jamaican
citizens.
star,
Yes,
so I
sir.
don't know nothing for put myself together on a back and cause
Sure.
this is far down from here, you know.
True
So
that.
that is the process we mean, you know. But
True
this
that.
is
Because
definitely
the
The
a
building,
heritage.
the building is directly falling down right now, no, sir.
Then you
Because
can
it
see, I soon carry on and show you.
Yes, sir.
This building is actually derelict right now, and what really I fight for, the fact that you been here over
Yeah.
5 years, it don't really matter how long.
Yeah.
Once it's over 5 years, the thing the Heritage Society is supposed to come in and make sure that this building stand up and you good, you comfortable because
Yeah.
you're keeping this building standing.
Yeah.
understand?
That is a good idea.
So
And I don't get no support, man, because when a 3 storm blow off all them zinc, and man take them away.
you see-
And government them guys zinc to put back on the
you
house.
see,
man.
even for the
Yes.
month, you know them have a little paycheck for you.
You see?
Where you know say take care of the place and you fix up on the
I'm
place.
under here for more than 30 odd years, brethren.
Yes,
So what's the name, sir?
Me tell you, Sipstan Parsley, everybody know me. Yeah, you see it. And a farm, me do see if you walk out, this is the biggest boom piece that boom boom and pick up. So come in, walk.
Alright then. Alright then. Yeah. So guys, it's a step come up, you know. Show you back. Come right up.
Yeah,
And we are
guys,
there.
so we're now in Mr. Pasley's yard. Mr. Pasley is a farmer. He has been taking care of this derelict, the first courthouse in St. Thomas. Alright, this is the building. And this is where he lived. This is where he's been farming for over 30 years before Gilbert. He plant the ackee trees, he plant all of the trees them around here. We only wish this building could get some recognition. And it's a heritage building. It's not a slavery building. You know, we don't really idolize slavery building. It's a heritage building. And then it's way up
Just
here.
that,
It's best if the Heritage Society come in and do something and really make sure this man good. If it's even a monthly salary where he actually takes care of the place, keep it up to date as a heritage building, and you know him get a monthly salary where him and his family can eat food. Notice he says he has 3 daughters. One of them is in the JDF. One of them is in the JCF. And next one is a lawyer. So they are all they are all contributing to the progress of Jamaica. You see me, they are all contributing to law enforcement. So would I really advocate for this man really get some support, as in the fact even a monthly stipend from the Heritage Society. You can take care of the courthouse. We're gonna show you this building, we're gonna show you from the back to the front. It would really be good.
Okay, repeat yourself, sir. Repeat yourself.
You know, I to fight with food for the poor to get a substitute building on there. And I'm not getting no support. So I say, well, all right, better I work and try to put myself together, you know, because the thing is about it, I am here and I'm a farmer. There's something live me now, no way. You understand? So government have to do something. They are too long to take care of this place.
True that. True.
And I go through a lot of problems. Right now, we used to raise turkey, then sell out, but a duck in that, a fowl, You know?
Yeah.
Alright. Duck them in there, I said.
Duck in the too.
Yeah, man. You can
Look on them.
Alright.
Yeah, guys, so Mr. Parsley raised duck to inner peeps. And
Yeah.
I'm fascinated by animals, birds, insects, anything. Look up. What am I doing, sir? Oh, yeah. Look that.
Wow. It's beautiful.
Look that. Watch egg, bro. Look on this, sir. You see how much egg there, sir?
Wow.
That's a lot of duck eggs.
Yeah, and kids on it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Wow.
Holy pa duck.
They're beautiful.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
For real, guys. So, yeah, man. As me I say, around him, me really a talk about. Me really
Yeah.
love if Mr. Pastor get some assistance
Yeah.
to take care of this building. This is the old courthouse in St. Thomas. This is before Paul Bogle and the Morant Bay Rebellion.
Exactly.
Alright?
Yeah, man. Walk
This is from long time. So, you follow me. So, remember that old in the area and them thing there? Remember that old in the area and them thing there?
Right, what you call
Old in the area like the courthouse, JSL and them thing.
No,
Okay.
never.
And not building in
Yeah,
the
you
back.
like under the bottom. I ain't a hole in here.
Okay. Chucky, flip.
I'm
You on the back here.
Oh, building was around the back there.
But this here-
Oh, so none wasn't around there.
No, I'm building
Okay, okay. That's all bush around there.
Yeah.
One house around the stone out there.
Let's say, hold on. Hold on.
One house was round in the bush here.
That's a house built out of stone and all of
Yeah,
that.
but the father. No, it's like a cottage to somebody there. This is cute.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I go out, and it's a dam in there on the way into and like some servant.
Okay,
Like
okay.
a two,
And that much long.
yeah, but the judge, used to drive on and live up at top on the court side. So, what they used to do underneath it.
Oh, so
One
it could be
underneath
the olden
like-
area under
Yeah,
there.
me see like a dark part spot. Me can
dark
show you
spot.
underneath there, it's like a cell. See?
Okay.
But away from that, after the building came back. Okay?
Well, looking at it. Yeah, guys, so this is inside of the old courthouse. As you notice, they had both floors here. So when I stand up on you, they had both floors here. That's why you see here is like this. You understand? The board was on top of here. So you'd have the next floor up here. And down below, we're going to find out if there was a jail cell or a holding area here for the farm, alright? Them really did have all the water up on the area.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, so up here was where court was normally held.
Okay. Courthouse.
Inside here. But normally they would have had the board flooring. So the board flooring fall down. If you look down there, you see some of the boards still now, guys. You understand? So normally they would have board flooring here. This was where the court was normally held. Where people,
Sell out all them board and something.
where people,
Vandalizing.
come in. That's where persons got sentenced and all of that. And this was before Paul Bogle. This is our part, so when you're sentenced, you can't, when you're sentenced, you feel like you're going to feel you just come drink some water.
Right there, so.
And then you're escorted. So I'm wondering, guys, because this was a courthouse. And normally after court, when you try one person in a rasta, court not done enough.
No.
So when you try that one person, you have 20 vehicles to bring each people. So after you try one person, there must be a holding area.
Let me show you. So.
Yeah, me a forward. Give me 1 second. This is something around here.
That's how they do it here.
Oh, we have a look. Guys,
Guys,
the judge car there. I'm going to see the judge car. What kind of car? Is it Austin Cambridge? A Chevy?
Hold on. Hold on. Okay, so step. Alright. Concrete step. Good idea.
Yeah, guys, so now we're downstairs. And as me tell you, I just advocate for it. It's a fastly get some assistance in keeping this building. We don't need to renovate the building here. As you know, it's part of slavery. Before even slavery. I'm going to talk about the next piece of building that. Look at that.
Part of history.
Look at that.
Wow. Oh, that's a tank.
Oh, the tank is up on that. The stand for the tank.
Okay.
Back to me. Guys, as me just say, I just advocate for Mr. Pastor to get some assistance in keeping this place. Because he live here and all of that.
Alright,
You understand? So we really appreciate that. So guys, as you know, we're searching for an holding area. Somewhere where You know, after court, when someone got sentenced, they will be held before being transported to the jail, to Morant Bay. You understand? So we'll see if we find out all in here. Because after court, when you're done with one person, court not done now. So you must have a whole in here for when prisoners get sentenced. What if you were tried first? You could see if I answer.
Yeah. Wow. Oh yeah. Wow. Got the strings and lot of stuff here. Okay, get my time, son. Alright.
Guys, this seems like this was a place for a holding area. Whether it was a holding area or a place for grades, because remember I told you guys that the round roof normally don't make dew fall on grades in a sweat. But because this was a courthouse, when you hear me echo? Because this was a courthouse, I think this was the holding area. But we have an extra room I want to check out. You know, follow me. This could be cool. Wow.
That's wow, bro.
Because of camera?
Might be.
Make sure you catch up on camera.
Careful, bro. Just nearly break my bro. Wow. It's risky here. Wow.
So guys, as you notice, this is blocked off. You can't go over the next room though, over there, so. You see me? Oh, himself can walk on this. Follow me, check.
Alright. Look here. Wow. It's amazing. Yeah, man, I saw it stay. That's Jamaica, you know?
So guys, before we proceed further, this is the judge's car.
This is a car.
This is the judge's car.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that means.
At the front, this at the back. At the front, this.
That's the front. Alright.
This
Yeah.
at the front. The engine, that is, you know.
Yeah, I see
It's
it.
the engine.
Yeah.
That are the engine, you know. But the back of the car mash up.
Yeah.
And this is parking space to the two, you know.
So
This is a parking space.
yeah.
So, hold on, in dead in the courthouse.
This is the garage right there.
All on tree grow front and car. You can't left.
Yeah, left. Wow.
Yeah, guys, this is a very interesting find today. Alright? We never really set out to find this, but this is what we got to.
This is the front of the building. Wow.
Yeah, guys, this is actually the courthouse building for sure, because back in the days, this is the color that they normally use. And up to this day, this is the color that they use on the courthouses in Jamaica. As you notice, we still have the red. Any courthouse you see them always have the color there. You see? This was the courthouse for real, guys. And as you see from the front, this is the front of the building. The judge house. Alright. So, they're right there, so.
A guy.
People used to hang up here?
No, one time one man did a hanging shape and mango tree.
Okay.
Oh, so they say the guy die here. A guy die here, sir?
Calabash. Yeah, guys, this, you cut it, you clean it out, you dry it, and you build a bowl. Rasta, tell them about this.
Rastaman dish, sir.
Rastaman dish. Alright. Who know about this, explain in the comment section down below and let others know. And as we've gotten here, guys, remember, if you're enjoying this video so far, remember to give this video a big thumbs up.
Yeah,
and if you haven't yet subscribed to Elite Jamaica, subscribe to Elite Jamaica, because we got much more coming. Alright, if you respect what Chucky I do, I hold the camera for you and I give you the tour, type Chucky in the comment section. If you rate Mr. Pastor, if you're sure around, type Mr. Pastor in the comment section. Mr. Pastor, say name though?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Mr. Pastor, yeah, Mr. Pastor Pastor from Trinity Villa family.
Well, me no know the next parsley, you know, me tell you, say me the man.
The river did wash him with.
But every parsley be related.
Alright.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, man, all them who they are here to like go and cut them and burn.
So guys, this
They are
is
one cold with this.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Them stick and burn. So we get a poor salmon and clear it.
Okay.
I look, you know, some people clear down like they can get a good view.
Yeah. Yeah.
yeah, guys, so yeah, man, Chucky there. That move through, you know. This is the building behind me, guys. Old judge building. They don't call it a courthouse, they call it a judge building. Judge house. Yes, man. So, we are head through. Some calabash, I bring it home, go dry it, and I show them the process the piece. When it dry and them thing there. Yes, man. So this is the front of the building. As we showed you all the front a while ago, this is the side of the building, this is where we came in. Yeah, man. Isn't it? So guys, we didn't bargain for this today, but we found this, and this is a judge building. This is part of our history. So yesterday, no peeps, remember the video we uploaded yesterday where they push down the Marcus Garvey building up at Trinity-ville? That's the things that happen. I see if we don't film things like these, they're going to push them away, and we can't tell the younger generation say them there, because after I push them, we can't go tell them.
That's why they don't want to give certain type of documents.
That's why they don't want to get the documents, because they have intention to push them away now. Yes, man, you see me?
That's why I tell
So that's why we film things like these.
Yeah, man.
You understand?
Then
Them forgive justice because you've been taking care of the place for how long?
Then the man, we used to take care of places, so you used to get a monthly salary, important.
Okay. Yeah, man, I carry them on. Chucky, put them in the Chucky bag. Chucky, I can put them in your bag. Just turn on, I can put them in your bag. I'll catch your face. Respect, man. See one more, yeah? Yes, man. Make two nice balls, man. Rasta say, no, nobody where you want big up overseas or nobody. Now catch your face, you know.
Yeah, man. I want to big up Big Engine, you know.
Big Engine.
Yeah, man called Mr. Devon Bunny.
Okay.
In Canada.
True.
Yeah, man. And Claudette Bunny.
Claudette Bunny and Mr. Devon Bunny.
Yeah, Albert, yeah.
And Albert Bunny.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, and a shout out to myself.
Yeah,
Albert
man.
Bunny, Claudette Bunny, and Mr. Devon Bunny.
Those
If you all
are-
hear this message,
Yeah.
comment and let us know so we can reach back in touch with Mr. Pasley, alright?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Bless
And
They know me as militant.
as militant.
Yeah.
And as for one more time, I'm gonna be showing you guys the building. That's the building over there, guys.
Courthouse.
I'll go back through and take two pictures. I forgot to take the picture of them.
Walk out of the gate, I was forward. Yeah.
Oh, this are the exit. Okay, cause up there so we're going about where so we're not seeing the road. Cause I know say a house like this must have a big driveway, you know. Oh, this are the gate. Yeah, guys. We just leave. This is the gate to the house. I'm showing you when we go outside. I'm showing it from outside. So the entrance, peeps. And the next post is over here. See it down there, so. So this is the entrance, guys. The gate is still there. So this is us leaving. Thank you so much for joining us again, guys.